Hi YouTube, today I'm going to explain if sound travels faster through solid or air. And over here I have made a diagram that shows solid and air. As you can see, the particles inside the solid are together, so when the sound comes in, the particles can pass it on to each other, and soon the sound will be through the solid. But in the air, the particles are all mixed up, so when the sound comes in, the particles can't find each other. That's why it's slower when you speak in the air. So basically the more closer the particles are to each other, the faster the sound travels through them. Thank you for watching. Bye.